Welcome to this new Triggre Weekend Masterclass. This is episode 2 out of 5 of changing the template at the event, which you can use to manage your events and people can book themselves on those events. In this episode, we are going to extend this template with pricing. So you can add a price to your event, and as soon as a participant books himself on that event, it will receive an invoice. So let's check how that looks in the application, and after that I'll show you what I've created in the designer. So it starts with creating a new event, Triggre Weekend Masterclass. We have 3 spots. Price is €100. Okay, have to select the room, confirm. So I've created a new event, and as you saw, the price of the event is €100. So what we do is when we would book for this event, we check if the price is higher than 0, and if that's the case, we'll also create an invoice. So in this case, we book the spot, check the allergies. There you go. You see the price here as well. And then the person who's booking the spot automatically receives an email with the invoice. You can also see that here. So at the event, we have the bookings per event. There you go. We've got the invoice over here. And if I would download that, there you go. So let's go to the designer and see what I've created. So at the data, the only thing I did is add a price to the event. And to the booking, I added the invoice, which is over here. At the user flow, like I said, when booking for an event, we have the decision over here in the user flow with price larger than 0. Because if the price is larger than 0, we first create an invoice and then continue finalizing the booking. So that's something to keep in mind. And that also shows you that you can use decisions in your user flows as well. So we go to invoice booking because that's the flow part that we made. Fairly simple. We've got the booking. We've got the invoice that we need to create. We save that invoice at the booking of that person. So you can find that here. And that's it. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to be notified about our next video, hit the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you like this video. See you next week. Bye-bye.